A common misconception is that by using waterborne paint, static is not an issue. Static will be created on a surface whether the paint being applied afterwards is water or solvent-based. The properties of static electricity remain unchanged. Static charge created during prep will pull dust and dirt onto the surface. It does not matter what type of material you use to paint if that dust and dirt is already present on the panel when application commences. If static charge is present on the surface, the charge can cause particles to be drawn to and repelled from the panel, causing inconsistent finishes in the material applications as well as issues with blending. The stat gun uses ionized air to completely eliminate static charge on the surface. It is safe to and should be used in between each coat of material, including waterborne paint. To save time, lower material usage, and increase booth throughput, order the Static Solution Stat Gun today. For more information, visit www.statgun.com.